Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back from CKC-MESA convention, and that's Creating Keepsakes convention. And I'm here to share what I got at convention, what I bought. I won some little things, and I made a few projects, and so I'm here to share that. And so I met some ladies last year when I went to another convention, and I've chatted with them over the months and became friends with them, and so now we go to conventions together. This would be our second convention, and we had so much fun. I just wanted to thank those ladies, Amanda, Sarah, and Charlene. Crazy girls, but we had so much fun. We were at convention from Thursday, and then all day Thursday, all day Friday, all day Saturday. So lots of crafting. They are so inspirational. They're so talented and crafty. I'm gonna share some things with you. We were supposed to come up with like 3 kits and make the kits for each of us, and then we were gonna teach how to do it. And yeah, so those girls, they knocked it out of the park. I'm gonna show you what they did. Me, on the other hand, I was lucky I could get one project, and then it was just like die cutting. So I'll show you. But yeah, so first off, 2 of the girls that I went with, they gave us bags. So fun, goodie bags. They're so sweet. And then in the goodie bags, they had candies, wipes, some treats, some of the things we were gonna need for the projects. And so one of the girls, she gave us, I think it's watercoloring. So she put it in the plate already, and sorry if there's a glare. Let me see if I can take this off. It's on securely, but and then she marked them all with the brand and the name of the color. How smart! So I didn't want to use mine because it just looked too pretty. I didn't want to mess it up. But so she gave us, Amanda, she did this for us. She also gave us the water brush because we were going to do some watercoloring, and she made this beautiful layered tag. How beautiful is this? It's very chunky. So there's like lots of layers. She loves Prima flowers, so I'm assuming that's what these are. But yeah, check that out. Such a nice sturdy tag. Thank you, Amanda. And then she also, like, check this. She gifted each of us a gel plate. So I got to mess around with a gel plate for the first time. And I will show you the project or the card I made with this. But yeah, I have lots of practicing to do. Everything, there's always a learning curve. And then Charlene, she gifted us with sweet candies, and then she gifted me with some stickers. Love it, girl. Thank you so much. And now let's see. I am going to share the projects. So I'm gonna just share all the cards we make, and I'll tell you, if it was from a make and take or what it was. Okay. So the first one was this card here, and we were making an Aurora Borealis type of background, and this was from Charlene, one of the girls that I sat at the table with. And so we used some Distress Oxide inks and blended them in there. And so that's how mine came out. And then, I just splattered some water and some white or silver, I forget what kind of watercolor is making the I don't know if you can see it there. You see the streaks across the sky for the falling stars. But yeah, so that was one of them. We did some ink blending on that background. Here was another. This one was from Sarah, and we did some ink blending on this background as well. And she let me use her Copic markers. I'm not good at doing all of that, but I'm debating if I want to start on that journey. So this was an ink blending background, and then I just added the gold splatters. And then, oh yeah, so then I just put a lighter shade of the colors we were using. And then, here's another one. This one is from Sarah as well. And in here, there's the little squirrel friends. But we did some blending with the grass on the background and then some of the clouds. Fun. That was a fun card. And then this one, this is the one I used the jelly plate on. It was a little difficult, but I'm excited to try some more and get some more practice in on it. But this card was from, this kit was from Amanda. Amanda, yep. And so she had everything embossed already. She even had this ready to assemble, but then she brought extra stuff for us to just play with. So fun. Oh my gosh. And then this probably was my favorite card we made. And we used some alcohol inks and some metal dyes. And oh my goodness. I'm not a Southwest person, but I love, love, love this technique and how it came out. And so I have quite a few. I'm gonna try to make a video about the technique that we used with alcohol inks. There's not a technique, but whatever. I will try to make a video. So I just need to add a sentiment, but do you love it? And then this was my my card that we made, and it's just a gift card holder. I got this die from the Stamps of Life. I use Makaz Home paper, and the die also comes with these flower dies, and you can make different layers of the die. So that's the one I did. And I was just messing around more with some ink blending backgrounds, and Sarah had this die cut that she let me use to cut out. And so I've just made a few more panels of the background. I did a lot of playing of backgrounds, so I have a little stash. Very little, but a stash. This one's from Charlene. How pretty. I love this effect. So she had already colored up the palm. We just had to fussy cut it out, and then, you know, we used the lattice. And then she provided the sparkles and the sentiment. But yeah, pretty. And then this was just another one we were playing with. If you've watched before, I've done some videos with some the ton stamps, layering stencils. And so one of the other girls has the same stencils, and she brought it to convention, Sarah. And so I was playing with her stencils, and she has this lattice die cut, and I love how they go together. So I just need to add a sentiment on here, but yes, I love the effect. And the lattice is offset somehow. She has a set of 4 background dies, and 2 of them are this lattice type that you can, you know, reverse the way it is. I'm not sure. Here's another one, same concept. And then, oh yeah, this one is pretty. This one is from Amanda, and she had already embossed everything. We just needed to color in the flowers and assemble everything together. But how pretty is this card? I love the colors. I love the gold background, the foiling or embossing. So I've gotten quite a few cards. This one is Amanda. This is another kit from Amanda. Her example is, you know, much better than mine. I was a little heavy on some parts with the water and the color, and then, yeah. But I still like that it's not an even color. that there's different shades and shadows. And then she had already embossed everything. We just needed to assemble it. But yeah, let's see. This one opens top to bottom. So another great project. This one was from Amanda as well, and we just watercolored this one. She had 3 mermaids that we colored, and then you could pick which one you wanted to put on, and you know, the other ones was for a future project. But yeah, so this is that. Be Your Beautiful Self. And then this was another one from Amanda. She had already embossed the card and had the ink on. We just had to assemble the card together. But I love these flowers, and then she provided this gold string, and I just layered them together. But I like the background. It looks like a woven, you know, woven pattern. So that is that one. And then the last one, this is another one from Sarah. She made one of those floating, I'm not sure what it's called, but I know it's a floating something. And it says, "You're spectacular." See the glasses? Specs. But yeah, so that was a fun one. So we had stuff to work on, you know, the whole weekend. We were kind of busy trying to get all our cards and kits done, but yeah, it was so much fun. So these were the cards. I think I'm going to end the video for now. I'm going to come back and show you in another video my haul, as well as the prizes I've received, and then the gifts from the vendors that were sponsors of the event. And then yeah. So, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!